nation, I'm back with another video. Today I'm doing the hot Cheeto fried chicken challenge, and as you can see, you can hear the popping. I got my chicken in there frying. It's my first time ever eating hot Cheetos, so hopefully it's good. Here's my chicken in there frying, and hopefully it's good. I can't wait to try it. That one. Alright, you guys. So, you guys, I'm about to try it. Hope it's good. It's actually good. It's hot. Oh, God. What a food one. Well, there you have it. And that was my hot, spicy Cheeto fried chicken challenge. Catch me guys in my next video.